Generative AI for entrepreneurial journey. So it is totally technical, and sometimes you may not get all these things in your regular classes. What a guest speaker will talk about this particular subject matter. So this will help you to develop. This will help you develop your future endeavor. I am not an expert in this subject area, but to motivate our guest speaker. So I am here, and I also said to our IAC president that I am one of the happiest person that our internal faculties, they are coming forward to deliver talk on different topics. So I appreciate our IAC for doing that, and I will urge to all other faculties to come forward.
First of all, you should know in this society which are the things need this artificial intelligence at all. Why we are so much concerned about artificial intelligence? Any of you is there who is not using smartphone? I would request, if anyone is there who is not using, then raise your hand. I think there will be no one. How many of you using the smart watch? Many of you? Many of you? And what can you do other than just watching the time? What can you do using your smartphone? Smartwatch? Does it listen to you? Many apps are there in your phone. We think it listens to us at times. When you search in the YouTube, you find that your favorite musics are coming only, isn't it? When you are searching in the Instagram or in Facebook, you find that your domain of interest, things are only coming as ad, isn't it? So how do these apps and these social media following you? Anyone is there who is doing spying on us? What do you think? While doing the online shopping, someone is there to help you, to assist you. If anything help is required, who is talking behind that? Is any person operating behind that? What do you think? What's your notion? So you don't have all these answers even. Then why aren't you interested to listen to this seminar? So interesting seminar, artificial intelligence. The thing, the equipments, the components which doesn't have any intelligence actually require the intelligence, artificial intelligence.
I recognize the thing, I can put some suggestion on the basis of understanding. All these things are the part of the intelligence, and these things already human being has. And AI also, artificial intelligence also are having this power already. But what is the new with this generative AI? The generative AI is the superpower that only the human being has, the creativity. The creativity is missing in the artificial intelligence till now, till 2017 actually. After 2017, I will tell you why I am mentioning that particular year. After that, machine also has that superpower of creativity. They can create something that is actually missing in the AI till then. Okay, understanding, recognition, all this power already artificial intelligence gathered. So that's why actually understanding, if in the social media, in the YouTube, all the machines actually understand you, and according to their understanding, they propose something. That is we call recommendation system. All these things. Till now, AI can, or we more specifically you can say machine learning can recognize the thing, can understand the thing. They can actually distinguish whether you are a human being or you are another thing. Or they can recognize a particular human being that this is Sandipan Sahu. Okay, this is other person. These are the intelligence already machine has till then. But now there is a breakthrough that is actually changed the world actually. That is to create something. Now machine can create some new content which is not actually present in the internet or anywhere. They can create new thing. That's why it is called generative AI. Has the superpower of creation or generate something. Okay, this is the basic difference of basic artificial intelligence, what we actually mean till date, and what is actually coming and already have come. That is generative AI.